MemikissBeauty, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're not going to do makeup today. Today, what we're going to do?
The snack crate.
The snack crate. So it's a monthly subscription that we get every month, and it comes from different parts of the country. And last month, we had got Canada, but unfortunately, we weren't able to record it. But this month, we're going to record it for you guys, and we're going to show you all the awesome snacks that we have in this packaging. Are you ready?
Yeah. I want to open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Ooh, aloha from Hawaii. So this month we got Hawaii. And what I like about this, and like I said, I saw this in the prior one, I like the fact that they have the fun facts of Hawaii, and it's kind of like bringing the island to you, which I think is pretty cool. It tells you a little bit about the state of Hawaii. It shows you all the snacks. I don't believe you get every single snack, but it does show you their snacks, and you can just kind of find them here. So let's see. Another cool thing, they give you some stickers.
Don't touch me.
So we got some sweet and spicy crispy chips. You want to open these first?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you want to taste one?
She's like, yum, 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 yum. It tastes good. I'm scared.
I told you he'd be getting the wrong
I'm
fucking.
scared it's hard.
I'm tired of him doing that shit. Not even one.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Okay,
It has a sweet kick to it, but who is this spice? That spicy kicked in. I'm about to start sweating.
Can we do this
You can't have this one, Bolo.
one? Bye.
Come, Papa, you wanna come? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. The second thing we're gonna open
It's hot.
is called Asian Trans. Ooh.
Asian
Yeah, so these are called rainbow belts. And they look really similar to like our Sour Patch. That was hot.
Mommy, I want you to taste it.
You want me to taste it first?
Yeah, take it. Take it.
Yeah.
Oh, take-
Here, puppy.
Is it good?
So they taste very similar to like our Sour Patch, just a little bit more fruitier. The third thing we're gonna try is called chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers. Ready to give these a shot? You probably would like those, Dave, a lot. Those are really spicy for me. My husband he loves spicy stuff, so he'll be very pleased with those. You don't think they're hot? I think they're so hot. But you know, I think pepper's hot. So.
These are regular chips.
So now we're tasting a chocolate covered Japanese rice cracker. How do you feel about that?
I'm tasting the chocolate there. I love chocolate.
So the chocolate tastes amazing, but it's definitely like a Rice Krispie treat underneath that.
Really tastes good. The chocolate tastes good. So good.
The next but more potato chips. Mao onion. And there's a whole onion on top of a surfboard. So let's just say we might need some Tic Tacs.
I hope it tastes good. That's good.
Oh, these are bomb.
That's
They
good.
kind of taste like Funyuns. Oh, she likes them. Oh, but they're stronger than Funyuns. Like, your breath is kicking. My breath is kicking. But, and these are called Hawaiian cookies, candy bread.
Hold on, too.
Are you too?
So, yeah.
Are you okay?
It's going up. It helps.
You okay, buddy? Puppy, you okay?
Mommy, I really like the soft cookies.
The chocolate ones?
Yeah, I like the chocolate ones soft. I can't bite it. It's so hard. We have the gummies.
Yo. Now we have these little cute gummies.
Gummy pineapple.
There's some gummy pineapple and there's hard ones.
I'm gonna get the scissors for these.
Okay. So these are really good. He ate very well, good. Those are good, but those taste just they taste very similar to our gummy worms or the gummy bears, very similar to that. Now there is this, it's called plum candy. And from what it looks like in here, it looks like, matter of fact, we can look at it in here so we can know for sure what it is. So it's called Linghai Moo Drops. Sweetheart candy flavored with plums with the pit of real plum in the center. I did notice that there is like a plum, an actual real plum
In there.
in there. Which is pretty cool.
I saw that too.
You did notice that too?
I looked at the same thing. I don't know that in there.
Wait, you could try yours. I'm gonna save mine for last. My teeth hurt. I don't want to chew nothing too hard.
Me too.
So I'll save later.
Yeah.
That could be the last thing.
Maybe do one of these. Okay.
What is this though? Aloha. Pika Hawaii. So this is a Pika pineapple shortbread. This Hawaiian treat is made of all native ingredients, featuring sweet shortbread with a real pineapple filling. So there's real pineapple filling in this, guys.
Mommy, I want to taste blueberry and pineapple. I never taste pineapple.
So you ready to taste this?
Okay, come on, man. I'm not going to eat a lot.
It's okay. It kind of tastes like it's a cheese Danish with like pineapples in it. You okay? No, not for you.
I swallowed it.
I know you're like about to throw up. That's so funny. You okay?
Yeah, the taste is weird.
It is weird. It. You don't like cheese Danishes now? It's kind of like cream cheese. This is creamy caramel covered in milk chocolate.
He is still eating a really, really sweet thing.
So I'm just gonna take a small piece. I don't really want because I don't really.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
It has.
It's actually really good. Taste it. Oh my god, it's really good. And I don't even like peanuts, but it's really good. Right? What else you got up in here?
Yeah, she got mine too.
If you don't want, mommy, whatever you don't want, just put it in the garbage or put it to the side. The next thing is Haichu. It's a fruit candy, which I feel like we have these, or we've had. It just looks similar. It looks familiar. Maybe deja vu. Maybe I was from Hawaii. That's too hard for you, puppy.
I want to the gummy. The gummy's better. Hey, the gummy.
Here, mama. No, leave that gummy. We're gonna leave them for Monday. You ate one. No, puppy.
Mom, it smells like gum.
It smells like fruit for sure.
It smells like gum. Ah, how about fruit? I gotta put the $100 now.
It's good.
I ate it all.
It's good.
I ate like two. Haha. You want soup.
Last,
One.
but not least, we have the Kona Crunch. So this is chocolate covered macadamia nuts with Rice Crisps. That's a lot going on. Like a lot going on. Ready for the last treat? It's like a crunch. Yeah, that's what it is, like a crunch bar.
Oh, haha, tooth.
You too?
That is one tooth is wiggling. That's my tooth. I'm gonna put this in the corner.
You sit in the corner?
I can have more of these. This is my favorite.
The chips? Okay. Here. And the last but not least is the plum, the hard candy with the plum in it.
Mom, that has three because one's for king and one's for none.
I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if it's because I've tasted so many stuff before. Not a fan.
It's not good.
Like it? Don't try to bite it though, because it can hurt your teeth. Anyway, guys, we have went through every piece of snack that we had in our crate, and a lot of it was really good, right? A lot of it was pretty good. Some things we weren't really too used to, but that's fine. That's why we're here to taste it, just to get familiar with the things that people eat in their countries.